Gauze Gourmet Foods has made a recall for undeclared sesame. If you are allergic to sesame, this could be very serious and even life-threatening. The products are in clear plastic packaging, similar to plastic wrap, with expiration dates of November 28th, 2023 through December 12th, 2023. Gauze Gourmet Foods has recalled subs and sandwiches. Now, before we get into the variety of these sandwiches and where this recall is happening, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell and make sure it's set to all. These recalls are important. If it doesn't affect you directly, it may affect someone you know. So you want to make sure you have the information you need as soon as possible in order to stay safe. This recall is for subs and sandwiches that have been sold in retail stores and bars. 8-inch deli subs and 2 varieties of bagel breakfast sandwiches. Now, they have not indicated what varieties of bagel breakfast sandwiches they are. So I would say be aware of all until we find out what the exact varieties are. This recall has been made due to undeclared sesame. So if you have a sesame allergy, please be aware. And so far, it's in the retail stores and bars in Southeast Michigan. Today is December 2nd, 2023.